Good.
Oh. Oh.
Right there. Oh. Tighten there.
Oh. Ah! Beside the fact, the nails were completely dead underneath.
Yeah, that happens.
So I just wanted to try to be natural.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I'm feeling wobbly.
Yeah, just relax a second. Just trying to see what's going on here. Just trying to take a little pressure off. Cool. Hey guys, what's going on, Crackmaniacs? Dr. Tirado here. I'm here with the greatest massage therapist in New Jersey, right?
Absolutely.
In fact, probably all throughout the United States. I would say that. This is Babette, and she has her own Instagram page. And
you have to go for my Facebook page.
Facebook page? Just give it to them. Whatever
Babette Labes.
Babette Labes.
Labes.
If you want the most incredible massage, life-changing massage, you got to go to Babette. She's absolutely fantastic. We're going to get her adjusted today. She was adjusted by Dr. Tubio not too long ago. She's got a right side of her neck, C2 or C3 is out, C4 on the left is out. We're going to get her adjusted, and we're also going to work on her knees and her ankles. So we got a little bit of work to do today on her. All right? So we're going to start off just going to loosen her up with a little bit of massage, right, with our brand new massager, right, the Ekran. All right, so let's go
And
right
I bought
here.
one of those things.
Did you?
Yep.
This brand's pretty good. Good. Just going to loosen up some of these shoulder muscles first.
And I went to one lady who did pressure points where this serratus anterior meets that latissimus dorsi.
Yes, yes.
Ooh, that was really painful.
Painful?
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's kind of painful. So we come right inside here. That too strong?
No.
Good. Good. This can be painful sometimes.
Well, it's sore.
Yeah. If you did this to me, this would cause a lot of pain.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, my upper back. Drop your arm.
Maybe I'm
just
just
relax your
used
head.
to it.
I think you're just good with pain. She's good with pain also.
Oh Lord, please don't
There
say
we go.
that.
There we go. No. She doesn't inflict pain. It's a great massage therapist. There we go. Okay, look straight down. Just going to stretch inside here. Fantastic. Just look straight ahead now. Just relax. Good. I'm going to take your left arm. I'm going to come across your chest just like this. Just going to work on these muscles. This machine is great.
You have all day to stop.
Yeah. Really good machine. Okay, we're going to get right inside that lat. Inside there. Open up that shoulder joint a little bit.
Boy.
Yep. Yep. Tighten there.
Oh.
A little more tender on this side. A little more sensitive.
Oh my God. Oh.
Okay. Let the arm drop. Relax. We're going to bring your head to the right. Nice and easy. Let's get that trap. Look straight down like that. Going to really stretch it out nice. All the way down. Good stretch. Nice. Hey, when was the last time you came here? Pre-COVID?
Yes,
right?
it was actually.
Yeah, I think you might have been pre-COVID.
I think I might have come during.
During COVID?
Yeah.
Hey guys, Dr. Jason Tirado. Today's sponsor is RestCloud. RestCloud is a great tool that I recommend every single one of my patients with neck pain to help alleviate neck pain. It's also a great way for them to just take the stress off their neck after a long, hard day of working behind a computer. Let me show it to you. What's really great is it's got this unique concave design, and it also has these massage nodes inside here. And so essentially what a patient does is they'll lay down on their back and they'll gently place this right underneath their neck, right inside here. Let me show it to you. Right inside there. And it fits right inside the natural lordotic curvature of the neck. It fits right in, nice and snug, nice and tight, and it actually gently stretches out the neck, and it helps open up the joints inside the neck, which absolutely feels fantastic. Someone can lay down on it for maybe 5 or 10 minutes. It'll feel so good. Sometimes my patients might even fall asleep on it, and I don't recommend that, but it feels that good where they just want to fall asleep because it takes all that stress off of their neck. I love this product. I highly recommend it for every single one of my patients. Hey guys, so let me just show you exactly how this rest cloud works. So essentially you're going to make sure that these massage nodes inside here are going to go right in the back of your neck. So that way you know it doesn't fit this way. You're going to lay down in the supine position, which is on your back, and you're going to take it with both hands, place it right inside the C curvature of your neck, that lordotic curvature of your neck, and then you're going to lay back just like this. You're going to fit it snug right at the base of your neck and the top of the back. Loosen up your tie or open up your shirt if you have a tie and a shirt on like I do, and this way it's going to allow a little bit more space inside there, inside your neck, to expand a little bit, and it's also going to allow your neck to kind of gently stretch back. Now what's amazing about this is you don't have to push back, you don't have to do anything. You just want to take your hands and you can relax them here. Now if you're on the floor, what you could also do is take your arms and bring them at about 180 degrees and just let your arms come back if you were on the floor, and just let it rest just like that. This way it stretches out the neck muscles, stretches out the occipital muscles, and it stretches out this muscle inside here, which is called your sternocleidomastoid muscle. And when this opens up and stretches the muscles, it really feels fantastic. But because I'm not on the floor, I'm on the table, I'm just going to rest my hands right here and just let gravity gently pull down your neck and just let it stretch. And oh my goodness, this feels really, really great. It stretches out all my neck muscles and opens up all the joints inside my neck. It feels fantastic. Now when you're done, all you do is you take this pillow by here, right? And it even has like a little piece of foam inside here to kind of help you sit up. And I sit up just like this. Just like that. I take it out, right? And the foam just falls right back into place. It's really fantastic. So it compresses a little bit when you're laying down, but when you get up, it decompresses and it goes back to its regular shape, which is fantastic. I love this product from Rest Cloud. They shouldn't even call it the Rest Cloud. They should really call it the Stress Relief Cloud. I love it. I highly recommend it from Dr. Tirado to you. If you work in front of your computer all day, 7, 8, 9 hours a day, sitting in front of a computer hunched over, then you definitely want to use this to help decompress all the pressure that you put on your neck from sitting in front of that computer all day. Order this Rest Cloud. You're going to absolutely love it. Just click on the link below inside the description. Good. Turn your head to the right now. It's going to loosen this side up a little bit more. Just like that. Good. Look straight ahead. Now let me just take your shoulders. I'm going to try to unlock your shoulders a bit. I'm going to come right back like that. That's a little tight. Squeeze in here.
It is tight.
That's tight. And Beth, where do you do your massage?
In North Plainfield, New Jersey.
North Plainfield, New Jersey. Good. Real nice area.
Oh.
Right there.
Oh.
Good. Come right back over here and just relax now.
Good.
Instagram messages. That's what happens. Good.
Yeah, I watched your videos.
Mm-hmm. Good. Just like that. Good. Look straight ahead, please. Just relax, nice and easy. Good. Nice and easy. Good. Just trying to loosen up that shoulder joint just a bit. Good.
That actually feels good.
Yep, it should. Turn your head to the right. Yep. It'll help us a little bit later on when I go to adjust you. Mm-hmm. You said I wasn't hammering that person hard enough? That was funny. Look straight ahead. That was hysterical. That guy couldn't move his shoulder actually last week.
Oh, really?
Yep. Yep. Get frozen shoulder. Just open up this shoulder joint a bit. Good. Nice and easy. Now let's take this arm and just going to go like that for a second, okay? Just like that. You're going to pull your elbow back in a second. In a second. Pull it back. Just the elbow.
Okay.
Not the shoulder. You're going to basically pull back over here, okay?
Okay.
That's what you're going to do. Hold on. Pull back. Harder. And relax. Let's try the other side. Try the other side. Same position. Hold on a second. Pull back. That was easy.
Because I've already been pre-instructed.
Yep. Good. Just relax. I'm going to see if we can get a little bit of movement inside here. Just drop your elbow. Just drop your arm. Just let it relax. See if I can get a little more movement inside here. Let it go. A little more. Let it go. Good. Right there. Good. That's all. Come right back down. Just relax. That's fine. Good. Let's take the other one. Let it drop. Just relax and easy. Just going to come in. Good. And now relax. Good. Good. And take the other side.
You're getting better even.
Yeah. Thank you.
Getting better every day.
That's the one. There we go. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Good. Fantastic. Relax your arms. Check your elbow now. Let it drop. Nice and easy. Good. Right there. Good.
Oh, that was good.
And you didn't have to travel 2,000 miles for that.
I didn't.
Good. Relax right inside here. And just let it drop. Nice and easy. Good. Just going to come in here a little bit.
Woo.
Good. No, just relax.
Oh, that's so good.
Good.
You know, you always did every single bone. That's why I was loving you.
Try to get everyone. All right, so let's come and straddle the table. Bring this leg right over here, face that way,
Okay.
and slide up. I'm going to take this arm, I'm going to go across. This one comes underneath. Good. So you get a little bit of movement in the spine. Good. And just relax with it, nice and easy. And breathe a little way out. I'm going to twist to the left. Good. Good. Relax again. Breathe in again really deep. Let it go. Turn your head to the left. Good. That's okay. That's all right. We'll move the other way. Right in there. Turn it a little bit more. Good. Breathe in for me really deep. All the way out. Let it go. A little more. Turn your head to the right. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Relax a little. Drop your hands. All right. We'll try it a different way. That's all right. We'll try it a different way. A lot of tightness, rigidity in the middle.
Yep.
Slide back a little bit. All right, a little bit more. Right there. That's cool. That's cool right there. This arm's going to come up top. This comes underneath. Okay. Head's going to come down. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. And try to go right in there. Give me a sec. Let's see. Hunch forward a little bit. Cool. Just like that. Okay. We're going to try to go. I'm going to go right inside here. Head's going to come down. I'm going to lean you back. Breathe in really deep. All the way out. Keep your head tucked. And breathe out. Just relax. A little more. Good. Come back here. Breathe in again real deep. And relax a little more. Come back here. Got your shoulder. Okay.
Bravo. Bravissimo.
Relax your hands. Now let's come and lay face down on the table.
You're not going to do the other side?
The other side? I want to do all the sides. You kidding me?
Good.
Let's loosen up that lower back first. If this is too strong, tell me, okay?
Okay. Ooh, it's really strong though.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yep, just breathe nice and easy. So the frog venom was something else, huh?
It was amazing.
Wow.
Whoa.
Just breathe, just breathe. Just breathe.
so tight.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sciatic nerve is right underneath there. Okay. Breathe easy.
Oh Lord. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that's so tight.
Okay, just relax a little bit. The table's going to drop a little bit. It's not going to hurt. I'll loosen up this SI joint a little bit. Just let it go. Good. A little bit more. Just let it go. Good. Good. Lower back. And again. Just let it go. Easy.
Oh.
Good. Right side. Just let that go a little bit more. And again. And one more time. Good. Good. Nice. Good. So let's see if we can get up top inside this upper back a bit. Let's just have you breathing really deep. Nice and easy. All the way out. Let it go. A little more. Good. We'll do it one more time. One more time. In real deep. Now all the way out. Just let it go a bit. Okay. Okay. Bear with me. Just relax the muscles. How are we doing? Okay?
Good.
Good. Okay. Okay, we're going to move this upper back a little bit. All right, I just want you to relax and breathe nice and easy. Just no, don't turn, just relax. And bring it up to the side a little bit. And a little bit more. Just try to let that go a little bit. No, relax your shoulders. Let the shoulders relax a bit. Good. Good. Let's see if we can get a little bit of movement inside here. Just going to try to stretch all the way out a little bit. Good.
Bravo,
Good.
bravissimo.
Very good. And just relax, breathe nice and easy. Just going to come. Oh, that's it. Just kind of let it go. A little more. Going to stretch to the end. Good. Come back here.
Good
Nice.
stuff, mister.
Good. So then just gently put a move in here. Good. And in here. Good. Just relax. Just checking your leg length. Not too bad. Awesome. Okay. I bet I'm just going to adjust your lower back a bit. You need to just lay on your side to face the doorway, please. Can you do that? Let's slide down a bit. That's good.
Good?
Yeah. Hands right inside there. Just going to let your leg fall off the table, though. I want to stretch the whole hip joint. Just to kind of open it up a little bit. See if we can get it to open a little bit. Just like that. And we might get a little movement inside here. Just want to open up your hip joint. A little bit more. Good. Now breathing really deep for me. A little movement. Let it go. Good. Come on your back. Just want to get a little movement inside here. Lay on your back. And bend your knees, please. Bend your knees. Okay. What I want you to do with your legs is I just want you to squeeze your knees together hard.
Okay.
Squeeze hard. Hold on. Hold on.
Too much?
Just kind of squeeze and then straight and then relax. Now separate, please. Separate. Separate
And
your
now
knees.
separate.
Cool. And bring this leg down and relax this leg. Just relax this leg. Nice and easy. Let's see what's going on with this knee. Is it the knee that was bugging you? Just trying to see if the knee is floating properly.
Oh.
Right there. Yeah. So the knee's not floating properly.
No.
No, so your knee is supposed to float, right? Like like a floaty on like a floating raft.
Right.
Right.
The kneecap, you
The
mean?
kneecap is supposed to float in all directions. Right? It doesn't really float well in that direction right inside there. So we're going to move it. It gets really restricted inside there. So what we're going to do is you're going to feel it. Just relax. You're going to feel this drop like that. It's not going to hurt.
It doesn't.
No, not going to hurt. Just going to, that's what you're going to feel. So first we're going to come this direction with it. Like that. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, do it again. Okay. We're going to come in this direction. Just let it go. Good. Yeah, a little tender. Okay. We're going to come in this direction. Let that go. Ooh, did you feel that pop? Take a minute with that. That was a big movement. There we go. How we doing, okay?
Good.
Good. Now we do one more inside here. This is going to be a little bit different. And just relax the leg. A little bit more. Just relax the leg. Good.
Oh.
One more time. Just let it go. One more.
Oh, that's what I needed.
Yep. Check your other one also. That's better. Good. Bring it inside here. Let it drop. Relax the knee a bit. A little more. That's it.
Oh, I felt that.
Yep. Good stretch.
Yeah, I'm not limber like I used to be.
And now relax. When you come
But that
down
feels so good.
here. Just going to open up the hip and the ankle joint a little bit. Breathe in deep. And relax. Okay.
Bravo, bravissimo.
Okay. Okay. We're going to move this knee also.
But I did have a little bit of when I was born, I was walking on the outside of my feet. So I self-corrected.
Did you? Just gonna let that go a bit. Good. Nice and easy. There you go.
Ooh, good stuff.
Let it drop. Come right over here. Let the leg just go easy. Get the ankle joint and the hip joint. Breathe in, real deep.
Good stuff. Ooh. Oh. I needed that one.
Content child.
Yeah, she is.
It's not really a
She
child.
seems like. She's a grown woman.
She is a grown woman. Yes, she is. Good. Just relax. I want to just check your shoulder. Just see how it's moving. Good. We'll do it one more time. Just let it drop. Just want to stretch out that
Oh,
shoulder.
glory to God. Oh, Lord.
Good. So stretch out a little bit more. There we go. Good. Get that whole lat. And one more time. One more time. Last time. Right there. Good. 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 Just relax. Nice and easy. Good move. Good move. Good movement on the shoulder. Let's just check the other side.
I know it'll feel better later.
Yeah, well, either that or get frozen shoulder, right? So, good, yeah. We're going to do one last time. Good. Good, good. All right, come back over here. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. And just relax, nice and easy. Good. So maybe I need some of that bullfrog.
Hey, you would love it. And I'm not kidding you. It changes
Really?
your life.
Does
It's
it?
the most spiritual experience you'll ever have.
Wow. On an Indian reservation?
It was actually in a tribe, an ancestral tribe
Wow.
in Texas. They're wonderful people.
Okay, we're going to go 2 adjustments.
Mm-hmm.
Come right here. Right there. Just relax nice and easy. Okay, now just relax, breathe easy. And turn a little bit first. Good. Pretend you're in a day at the beach. Good. Look at gentle stretch inside here. A little bit more. And a drop now. Good. Just breathe easy inside. Come back here. Come back here. Hold on. Kids screaming outside. It's causing you to get tense. I don't want that to happen. It's causing you to tense up.
She was loud.
Yeah, she was. We're going to come back to that. You want me to take that off? Do you mind?
Go
Anything?
right ahead. They
Yeah.
just pop.
They pop off?
Go, yep.
Yeah, because I was kind of holding back on you. I was afraid I was going to rip your ear
Yeah.
off. All right. Good. Okay, just going to let it go a little bit. You know, nice and easy inside. And we're going to just turn nice and slow. Good. Good. Just going to stretch nice and easy, nice and slowly. Good. And I want you to focus on your breath. That's all I want you to focus on, right? Because that's the only thing you can control is your breath. Just going to come inside there and stretch a little more. Good. A little more, please. Good. Come back here.
Oh.
Take a minute. I'm just going to try to get inside here a little bit deeper. I think we got a little tense before. That's where I want to go. Okay, just going to hold that for a moment. Good. And try not to take control, just try to breathe easy. Good. I'm going to put a deep stretch into this area. Let it go. Good. All the way to the end, I'm going to stretch. See how much movement we can kind of get inside here. Good. A little bit more. Good. Right inside there. Come back here. Okay. Come back here. Alright. Okay. It's a little tender in there.
It is.
Sorry. Okay, I want you to breathe in for me really deep. All the way out. And again in. And out. Just kind of let it go. Good. Just going to open your mouth slowly. Close. Open again. And close. Yeah, you got some deviation inside there. I'm going to just tap your jaw for a second. Just like that. It's not going to hurt. Just slowly open up your jaw a little bit. And loosen up your jaw and just relax. I'm just going to put a little gentle stretch inside here. Little tap. Good. Just relax back inside here. Good. Same thing here. Just relax the jaw. Nice. Is that my stomach or yours?
No, that's mine digesting. Tomato sandwich.
And relax inside here a little. Okay, it's going to come right in here. Good. And relax inside here. Okay, open again slowly. Close. Open again. And close. Good. Excellent. That was the tomato sandwich?
Tomato sandwich. with mayonnaise.
No bacon?
Fresh from the garden.
No bacon?
No, because I didn't want it. I wanted something light. And I did intermittent fasting, like you said.
Did you?
And I just started like a week ago.
You help you out?
But
1, 2, 3. Legs
I
over.
wanted to eat something light.
That was smart. That was smart.
Even though I shouldn't have had the bread, technically.
Okay, I'm going to lean your head to the left. Nice and easy. Look straight down. Nice and easy. Okay, I'm going to go over to the right nice and slowly. Nice and easy. Good. Good. All set. All right, stand up, walk around, see how that feels. Try out your new body. Try out your new sexy body. There we go.
I wish.
All right.
It's getting worse.
Oh, let me show you something, Bev. It's something that's really incredible.
The Y strap?
No, why? No, not the
I
Y
thought you
strap.
said the next.
Have you ever seen one of these things before?
I think I have one, but in a different shape.
Oh, do you?
He made me buy this foam thing. I'm supposed to put behind my head like this, right?
Yeah. So the idea is this has this material, this like elastic material inside here, actually helps reinforce the curvature inside your neck. And
Yeah,
for those
I have one.
and for those people that don't have a really great curve in their neck, this is like ergonomically designed for your neck. I want you to just try it out for a second.
Okay.
Come. So I want you to basically you're going to lay down, right? And you're just going to I'm going to gently place this underneath your neck.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on. Let me just move your hair. Come back down. Just like that. Just like that. All right. And the idea here is
That your head's back.
your head's back, your neck is in the proper ergonomic C position, right? It's called the lordotic curve, and the neck stretcher just helps to reinforce that entire area of the neck. And what this does also is as it puts you inside this corrective position, it also relaxes all the muscles inside there automatically. It affects your nervous system, and sometimes people even fall asleep on this thing because it's so comfortable. But it also, your nerves inside here, when you're relaxed like this, it'll cause these muscles to kind of relax. Instead of being contracted over like 10 minutes. These things will just completely relax, and sometimes people fall asleep on these things. It's really fantastic. I have the same thing at home. I use it all the time, and I always fall asleep on it.
It's because you're so tired.
Sometimes. 1, 2, 3. There we go. How'd that feel?
Good.
Really good.
Excellent.
Good stuff.
Yes.
Good stuff. All right. So, Babette.
I'm loose as a goose.
Again, little plug for her massage services. Absolutely fantastic. North Plainfield. That's where she is. How'd you like that adjustment?
And Dr. Tirado, rock star chiropractor,
Awesome.
must see.
Awesome. Thank you.
Your list of things to do.
Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe, and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon, and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.